Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install ChatGPT into your Windows. How you're going to do it? First, you have to come over into your search option and going to search for Microsoft Store. After open the Microsoft Store, and then here into the search bar, here you just need to type for ChatGPT. Click enter, and then here you will get the ChatGPT OpenAI apps over here. So if you click on get, and then after that the ChatGPT will be installing or downloading, and as you can see the ChatGPT is downloaded. And now if you click on open, and after a short time your ChatGPT will be open into your computer, and from here you just need to log in. Open with the Google. And if you open the ChatGPT app right now and minimize the browser, you can see there will be some quickly access ChatGPT options over here. If you just press Alt and space, your ChatGPT will be open into your computer in a very simple manner. So this is how you can download and install ChatGPT into your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another video. Till then, goodbye.